Every chocolate journey begins deep in the cacao fields. Only perfectly matured pods are chosen for chocolate. Quality is decided before chocolate is ever processed. Inside each pod lies the soul of chocolate. Fresh cacao beans are separated with precision. Fermentation unlocks chocolate's hidden flavors. Natural heat transforms raw cacao.
Drying stabilizes cacao for chocolate making.
Even drying protects chocolate quality.
Moisture control defines shelf life.
Prepared cacao is now ready for transport. Traceability begins at the source. Harvest becomes a global supply. The journey to chocolate production begins. Harvested cacao begins its careful journey. Cacao leaves the fields bound for transformation. Protection ensures quality survives the road. The raw ingredient begins its journey. From remote farms to industry.
Scale begins with movement.
Chocolate production depends on logistics. Every batch is accounted for.
The factory awaits its raw material.
Where raw cacao becomes chocolate. Controlled entry ensures safety. Incoming raw cacao is measured. Traceability follows every bean.
Precision continues at arrival.
The factory opens its doors. Chocolate production now takes control.
Raw cacao officially enters the factory.
Movement inside is carefully controlled. The processing journey begins indoors. This is the heart of intake.
Placement sets the flow.
Inspection protects chocolate quality.
Raw beans are released.
The process takes its first bite.
Automation begins its work. Inside, transformation is underway. Human precision supports machines.
Processes are constantly observed.
Balance is maintained. Chocolate moves toward its first refinement. Before flavor, purity is ensured. Unwanted elements are removed. Air precision refines the batch. Safety is engineered. Human eyes confirm machine work. Technology reads every bean. Uniformity protects flavor. Only the best continues. Cleanliness reaches deeper. Surface impurities are removed.
Moisture is controlled again.
Preparation continues.
Stability is restored.
Quality is rechecked.
Now, chocolate flavor will be born.
Roasting unlocks chocolate's signature aroma.
Heat transforms raw cacao into chocolate potential.
Precision prevents bitterness.
Cacao beans now reveal chocolate flavor.
Even cooling ensures consistency.
Every batch is carefully judged.
Shells depart, leaving the chocolate heart.
Pure cacao moves forward.
Fine control yields clean nibs. Chocolate begins its liquid form. Blending starts the chocolate texture.
Texture is monitored continuously.
Chocolate flows to refinement.
Particle size defines silky chocolate.
From bean to refined liquor, chocolate evolves.
This is where chocolate finds its soul. Time and motion refine flavor. Acidity fades, richness emerges.
Precision shapes taste.
Flavor is constantly verified.
Transformation reaches completion. Heat keeps chocolate alive.
Crystal structure is engineered.
Stability is designed.
Perfect balance is achieved.
Chocolate reaches its ideal state.
Flow is buffered for precision.
Consistency remains king.
Form now awaits flavor.
Chocolate prepares to take shape.
Automation delivers absolute precision.
Surface perfection is engineered.
Variety is added with accuracy. Structure begins to set.
Crystals lock into place. Foam is now fixed.
Automation frees the product. Efficiency closes the loop. Cleanliness sustains quality.
The cycle repeats flawlessly.
The cycle repeats flawlessly. Human oversight remains vital. Automation builds scale. Chocolate advances to final refinement. Final refinement. Finish defines the first impression. Precision shapes perfection.
Nothing is wasted.
Consistency is confirmed again.
Order prepares for wrapping. Every surface is judged.
Only flawless pieces proceed.
Uniformity readies identity. Identity is imprinted.
Structure is preserved.
Protection is prepared.
Finish meets protection. Integrity is guaranteed.
Traceability continues.
Chocolate nears final approval.
Final approval begins here.
Eyes faster than humans verify perfection.
Protection must endure handling. Accuracy is never assumed.
Safety checks are absolute.
Nothing unseen goes unnoticed.
Food safety is scientifically proven. Chocolate meets science.
Balance defines shelf life. Flavor is the final judge.
Standards are met.
Control includes rejection.
Only approved chocolate moves on.
The final stage approaches.
Chocolate prepares for the world.
Chocolate is prepared for delivery.
Structure protects the product. Quantity is guaranteed. Identity travels with every box. Chocolate is scaled for transport. Automation builds readiness. Stability ensures safe travel.
Chocolate rests under care.
Inventory waits for demand.
Orders set chocolate in motion.
The journey continues beyond the factory. Prepared to reach consumers.
Teamwork completes the process.
And this is how modern factories produce chocolate from start to finish.